Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have our polynomial expression 9x squared y squared minus 18xy plus 8. First thing I want to show you is that we can use a substitution. Okay, let's let a equal x times y. That means a squared is going to equal x times y times x times y. In expanded form, if we were to rewrite that in exponential form, it's going to be x squared y squared. Okay, so a squared is going to equal x squared y squared. If you notice, here's our x squared y squared and here's our xy. I'm going to substitute in a squared for this expression and a for this expression. Okay, so I have 9a squared minus 18a plus 8, and now I have a simple quadratic equation that I can factor. Okay, supposedly. Let's see if we can factor this. So first the product of 9 and 8 is 72. Okay, 9 times 8 is 72. The factors of 72 include 1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, 4 and 18, 6 and 12. I'm going to stop right there. If we take and look and examine these, which of these add or subtract to equal negative 18? And why negative 18? Negative 18 is this term right here. So which of these add to negative 18? And it so happens that 6 and 12, negative 6 minus 12 is negative 18. So let's rewrite this equation, or this expression, 9a squared. But now I'm going to substitute a negative 6 and a negative 12. Okay, negative 6a minus 12a plus 8. This is an equivalent expression because, remember, negative 6a and negative 12a sum to equal negative 18a. Okay. Now let's go ahead and take a look. What is the greatest common factor that I can factor from these two terms? It's going to be 3a. Okay, let's factor out a 3a. So 3a times 3a is 9a squared. 3a times negative 2 is negative 6a. I'm going to factor out a 4a. Okay, let's make it a negative 4. Negative 4a, or negative 4, from these two terms. Negative 4 times 3a is negative 12a. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Lo and behold, these two terms, these two factors, if you would, 3a minus 2, are the same, so we can factor those out. I can factor this greatest common factor from both of these terms, 3a minus 2. And I'm going to go ahead and factor, in this case, the residuals, right, whatever's remaining, the remainder, 3a minus 4, I can rewrite over here. And that's how we factor that. Guys, next what we're going to do is substitute x times y in for a. Okay, so we have 3xy minus 4 and 3xy minus 2. And that's it. So the solution, or the factored form of this expression, is going to be 3xy minus 4 times the quantity 3xy minus 2. And you can verify this just by multiplying those out.